Are you tired of the volatility and stress of traditional investing? Look no further than Coffee Can Investing, The Low-Risk Route to Stupendous Wealth by Saurabh Mukherjee. The book is a comprehensive guide to a unique investment strategy that has been used by some of the most successful investors to achieve their wealth. The author, Saurabh Mukherjee, is an Indian author, investment advisor, and CEO of Ambit Capital, an investment banking firm. He presents a detailed explanation of the Coffee Can Investing strategy, how it works, and how to implement it in your own investment portfolio. In this comprehensive guide, Mukherjee explains the benefits of the Coffee Can Investing strategy, which emphasizes investing in high-quality, undervalued companies and holding them for the long term. With a detailed analysis of Indian companies and their financials, growth prospects, and business models, this book provides valuable insights for Indian investors looking to build a diversified portfolio with a low-risk, high-return approach. But don't just take our word for it. The book includes real-life examples and case studies of successful investors who have used the Coffee Can Investing strategy to achieve stupendous wealth. So don't wait. Pick up a copy of Coffee Can Investing, The Low-Risk Route to Stupendous Wealth today and start your journey to financial freedom.